Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. Sorry if I have a little bit of hoarseness in my voice, I'm still getting over being sick. I think I'm towards the end now, so that's good. Anyway, as promised, I am coloring the piece that I started last week. Unfortunately, I had some technical difficulties and my screen record didn't work, so I had to use the speed drawing that Procreate automatically records when you're drawing. Which, by the way, I must say I love that feature because even if I just randomly decide to doodle, I still have the option of watching that footage back. I don't know, even when I don't post them as videos, I still kind of like to watch that kind of stuff to see my process as I'm drawing. But anyway, the Procreate automatic recording works fine in terms of one of my YouTube drawing videos. It just kind of sucks because you don't get to see me zooming in and switching brushes and everything like that, or the mistakes and stuff I make, because I think the way that it records is that it just records your brush strokes, and if you undo things it doesn't record that, I think. So in the very beginning when I colored in her skin and stuff, I was using a brush and I painted over it. So if it was the normal recording, you would see me kind of do the whole zigzag kind of painting all over the canvas. But in this case, it just suddenly appeared that all of her skin area was colored. So yeah. Actually, which way do you guys prefer watching these kinds of pieces? Do you like it with the canvas static, unmoving, and with no distracting menus popping up a bunch? Or do you like to see how I zoom in and move the canvas, and which menus I'm going through, and which brushes I'm using? I personally like the second option when I'm watching other people's speed drawings, but I can see the appeal of the first. My iPad didn't record the first few sessions in the beginning, but the last few recorded, so actually this video is kind of a good example of both ways of the recording. So you can kind of get a feel for which one you like in this very video. And actually, as I'm recording this audio and looking at this piece with fresh eyes, I'm realizing that I colored the dress incorrectly. So I'm probably going to go back and fix that later. It's one of those things where I've been working on this all day, so I don't want to go back to it right now, but it'll bother me enough that I'll probably fix it to be correct at the end of this video. So as of recording this, there is a tropical storm heading straight for me. It's currently projected to upgrade into a hurricane before it makes landfall, so that's cool. I'm generally pretty nervous during hurricane season anyway, but there's a whole new level of nervousness when you own a home. Because we're responsible for it, and it's ours, and you don't want it to get damaged or anything. I'm trying to get my Thursday video done as soon as I can, just in case we lose power for a while, or if we have to evacuate or something that would make it difficult to edit a video, but we'll see. It seemed like it has shifted more to the east right now, so we won't be getting the brunt of the storm, I don't think. But I mean, we're still gonna get tropical weather. So yeah. But yeah, I was gonna try to talk more in this video because I mean, I want to try making my little talks, I guess, more lengthy to fill up more of the video. I feel like it gets kind of boring and I don't know what to talk about, so that's why I usually have a little spiel and then let it finish out with the rest of the drawing, because I don't want to speed up the drawing too much that you guys can't even tell what's happening. I'm gonna try to make my little talks longer, but I can't guarantee that that'll happen all the time. But I was gonna try to talk more on this one. My throat is killing me right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it finish out now. So here it is, all finished. I hope you enjoyed this piece, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you later this week. Bye!